guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways how to make flax eggs. We're going to need 3 cups of water and 1/3 cup of flax seeds. I'm going to put 3 cups of water along with the flax seeds. I'm going to bring it to a boil and stir it occasionally. After it boils, reduce the heat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is the consistency it'll have. Then we're going to strain it and let it cool. The final result, it'll be about 2 cups. Another way to make flax eggs using ground flax seeds. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of hot water and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. I'm going to stir it until it's completely mixed. After it's set for 5 minutes, it should have a slimy consistency. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time.